Pietro, you're from Melbourne and you've come all the way to the Barossa, and you're also a masterclass online person doing the blooms. So how is it to come in, do 4 days in person and work with me? Did you enjoy the workshop scenario and the hospitality, etc.?
Yes, I really loved it. It was really nice working with people, like-minded people like myself, working with other artists and see how they bloom. And I love the hospitality. The food was amazing and the company was great.
And the housemates were better.
And I made the best friends that I think I will keep for probably the rest of my life.
And I think you said to me earlier, this is the most fun you've had in a long time. What were the exact words that you said? I think you said something along the lines of, these are the best days that I've had in a long time.
It's the greatest time I had in the longest time.
Yeah, we've had a lot of fun.
Because
Oh my
my life
gosh.
is boring. I go to work, I come back. What else do you need?
Everybody's been working a lot and we're all letting off a bit of steam. What can I say? But look, let's talk about the paintings.
I did produce 2 beautiful paintings. I love my rose.
I can't even hold the camera. Anyway, look, we've had a ball, and I think, like, if you had, let's get back to Tic Tacs.
I love this match in here.
But the main
I'll
thing
be back
is,
next year if you take me back. I might be on the list. Might be on the list.
yeah.
Cross between your, don't let her back in.
No, you'd be welcome back. We've had a ball. And the thing is that I guess, you know, you're working from home, and I've been really happy with the paintings you've been doing from home. How has it changed, like, working alongside and having advice when you need it? So is that different for you?
Yes, it's way different because I actually got the advice when I really need it at that time, when I'm struggling in doing the painting. Stop laughing.
I think we just all had such a big 4 days. I'm sorry if anybody's listening to this and we can't stop laughing. It's just that we have the hysterics. We've been working hard for days. But
I can't do it anymore.
But I'm not putting this out into the general market. Everybody will be thinking, what are they all exactly?
That's exactly right. It's scary, isn't it?
No, we're just high on painting. One or 2 glasses of wine that we had at the pub, but nothing too much. But we've had a great 4 days. And we've had an awesome time. So thank you so much.
Tomorrow.